You got fucking mental.
What's going on?
We setting up speakers in the glove and the A, matter of fact.
Oh.
Baby oil. Baby oil? Where the baby oil at?
On the Civic. Look at go zoom in on it.
Hey, it's right there. It's right there. No, it's literally right here. It's right here. Got a little scar tin. Bunch of junk, wires, bare door panel. Everything's back there. George.
That's not fucking with shit.
Stop touching shit. What y'all in here
Bro,
touching?
they done dropped. He told me go home. Go home.
He tell you go home.
Huh?
What are you doing?
Shit, bro, mine next.
Yours next?
Yeah. He charged $35 an hour.
Yeah.
That's all I got to.
$100.
I wouldn't want to take that off.
Yeah, we could do it right here off the alternator.
Hey, we got a new sub. We're gonna go hook it up.
Hook it up and just, all right, y'all.
Hold on. I already got it.
Make sure you put the positive where positive goes. Yeah, he was talking about it was mixed match. Take off. Hey, that bitch about it. Where's the
Alright, they ain't backwards.
They ain't backwards. I've never seen that. Never mind. Go on now. Look at it. Lock the door. Lock the door.
Landon said something about that 12 you got in the room.
Whoa! What are y'all doing? Play it. Hurry up. Play it. No! Oh, y'all want to take my speaker? Gotta break it in.
Unhook it. When'd y'all have the time to do that?
How far are we in now?
6 o'clock, so we about 2 hours in.
Y'all poop. I could have did. See, back in my day, me and my granddad and Uncle Mike. What's going on? You got it?
I'm getting it, son. You know how I get it.
Quite the audience today. I wouldn't say so myself.
They trying to.
Now. Lean back over.
That's crazy.
Hey, who these for? That shit ain't gonna work.
Hey, that's the one you got last month, huh? Yeah, I've been in it all day. Might as well finish it.
They end up taking me down.
Fuck no. You even live with her?
She said it's Nikki over there. And he go, look, why is it hopping like that? Ooh, George, you gonna have to move your cup, man. He's gonna keep on going. Hell no.
Oh yeah, I forgot about the fuel. We gotta do that.
Mm-hmm. This right here. It's in the front seat.
What are you doing right now, Landon?
I'm shipping the ground wire real quick. I'm about to set that.
About to cut himself.
Remember when y'all told Doogie I was gonna help him?
Hey, boy.
You heard me?
Yeah, man.
Come on, bro.
Why should we talk about my cousin for real though?
No.
For real.
Wow.
folding under pressure. That's what it looks like.
You hearing this?
You better get it together, boy.
You better get it together.
Possibly.
No, that's what I came over here to ask you if I could go use your restroom.
See,
Nobody's pushing you except Breezy. Get the phone off him, dude.
let's go into the video. Zach's getting working. Whoa, whoa, no touchy, no
I don't know
touchy.
what he's doing.
He don't.
Ain't done, boy.
He's just twisting it over here.
Got it? Right?
I'm done using my gun.
Somebody behind me.
Here, look, we got a drill right there. The
power,
battery's off,
yeah.
bro. You trying to die?
Where that
You want my gun, bro?
They say shoot or shoot.
Hey, look, partner.
What?
Well, there we
What you
go.
want, man?
CA.
Somebody put a T-can on my truck and you picked it up.
No, I put the T-can on your truck.
There we go.
And I went and picked it up.
Who put a wait?
Bruh, y'all quit, bro.
Hold up, I'll come back in a minute.
Why didn't you just do that for? He can barely talk back to somebody. I'm just messing with it.
It's on the hood.
Tragic chain of events.
Hey, bro. That ain't on me. Y'all put me on blast, alright?
Oh, he might be on that ass, boy. I already told Cameron what happened.
What? What you mean?
Alrighty, man. You gonna do me like that?
Okay, George, you
gotta
beat the allegation. You gotta beat the
Allegations of what? Bro, y'all need to start from the beginning, bro. Y'all throwing in parts from the end.
Power to the amp. Guys, if you're watching the video to this part, just make sure to like and subscribe. My son Zach don't know what he's doing at all.
Is it on? It's on. Turn it all the way up. Let me see that. Give it
Get me in trouble. You ever had a Cali, on D.I.G. Death threat, he gon' D.I.E. Bench pressing, but baby know she got a joint, so she been stressing. Why they call me Phoenix flexing? Cause I been flexing. I been stepping with these steppers, yeah, I been stepping. I dancing with that Drake, tryna take a face.
Turn the music all the way up, son.
You roll me out Santos, and that pussy so wet, I'ma need a poncho. Rockin' in the streets, and I'm with my vatos. Caught her out slipping, put a middle front.
Hey, it's working.
And we keep rockin'. Like she beatboxing, and I'm gonna keep a ball on the street boxing. Where your best friend, cause I need options. Bitch, I've been blowing up and I'ma keep popping. The fiends at my door when they keep knocking.
I can't see.
Keep coming back, cause I'm re-rockin'. Yeah, I'm re-rockin'.
Rocking in the streets to this funky beat.
Oh, Big AP, I'm going back to God. I'm D.I.G. Death threat, D.I.E. My face cold.
Turn it up.
Either way, you're going bust it, they trying.
Hey, that little thing hits though.
What about the whole door panel?
Hey, how are we sure this is gonna close with that in it?
Yeah, shit.
Are we sure? No. All right, right now we got everything hooked up. We just put that sub inside of George's truck. It's broken though, it don't work. How you feel about that?
It ain't broke, it just ain't done right.
Anyways, door panel gotta go back on still. It's in the back of the truck. Here, bring it from the front.
Yeah, the mosquitoes.
A second, let me see from right here.
Where Aiden even went?
He back to his house. He lives in, huh?
Who he rode with?
His house is right there.
He lives in that shed. There. I'm for real. There we go. I got the talking now.
Oh,
Dude, them mosquitoes are horrible.
Put this back in. Then we can go for a little. Where's that flathead so I can roll this rubber?
yeah, it's right here.
Where this screwing shit at?
Oh, it's in the front door
Here.
cup holder. Front door cup holders where all the screws and stuff are. Oh wait, the big bolt?
big one.
The big bolt's down here somewhere.
Oh my Jesus. Hey guys, if you're still watching, make sure to like and subscribe. We hot. Zach didn't even pay us for this, and he filming right now, so that's good enough. They say that I'm crazy. That long ass boat. Go ahead. Do longer strokes, man. If the video quality is horrible, it's because Zach just now said he don't have steady hands. He got arthritis in his bones. He don't drink enough milk.
Damn, bro.
All right, hey, cut the video right here. Stop it right here. All right, the next clip should be us riding around in the truck with the speakers playing. We still got to put the door panel back on, and all this is on, but some of the wires are still in the way. But we're getting things done. We'll get back to you whenever we're riding around. I lied, guys. Make sure to go like and subscribe to this video, and go follow George on Snapchat. He can't talk to females at all.
Dude, these motherfuckers bite me through the bug spray.
Watch that language, boy.
Real spill, man. Does Joshua know that you talk like that?
Does Joshua Paul's coming talk like that?
I just said that.
Oh, I wasn't listening. He was definitely listening.
Typical. He never listens. He don't listen to what nobody says. Don't start with me, Zach.
Don't you dare.
Well, come over here with the flashlight. He a clown, bro. Don't ever get landed. Can't see. Why you... You aggravating, bro. Oh, my God.
George, come with the light.
I can't see nothing.
I know you listen.
What the?
Oh, I got a little video. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Y'all like this video to save me from that one.
I remember the struggle. I remember the shine, nigga. I remember their faces when they saw me shine, nigga. I remember everything.
Where the fuck myself? Oh, we gotta go over. Put your hand right there.
I'm coming to the front.
That shit back here. That shit been good as fuck.
Yo, that's the end of another video. Tell him, Zach, what happened? What went down?
We did it.
Never trying to deal with it. That's what's up in my ignorance.
He said we very loosely.
Oh, God. I did that shit. Oh, me.
Y'all go follow him.
Gage did like 25%.
Go follow him on Instagram, brother.
At Atlanta.62. Come get at me for y'all speaker installs. I charge like $4 an hour. Just get at me. Roll the windows down. All right, take off.